Hello people of the YouTube, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, subscribe to the channel, remember to activate the notification bell, and if you already subscribed to the channel, do ring that notification bell as well to be the first one to get notified every time I post a new video. In today's video, I'm back again with another AliExpress package. It's quite a huge package this time. It's big. I'm excited to cut this package open. Hopefully, what I'm expecting is what is inside. Yeah, because I was expecting another package that didn't make it. It disappeared. So that case is still pending. But anyway, that's enough ranting. Let's get back to this package. Of course, to cut the package, I have my trusty knife here. I also got this knife from AliExpress. I have a video where you can see the unboxing of this knife. The video is called My Huge AliExpress Haul. I actually have two of those videos so far. It's one of the two videos. I don't remember which one exactly. But do go check them out if you want to see the unboxing of this knife. And in those videos, I'm unboxing a lot of other things. So let's get cutting. Where should we start? Let's start from the middle. Let's cut in the middle. I'm kind of afraid. I'm afraid to go too deep because I don't want to cut something I'm not supposed to cut. All right, that was the middle. Did I even cut it enough? Yes, I did. All right, so let's take the sides. Let's start with the right side. That's my right, by the way. I'm not sure if it's also your right. You're watching the video. So that was the right side. Or my right side. So now let's take the left side. My left side. I'm not doing a really good job at cutting this box open. It's not straight. Alright, I think I did enough cutting. Good. I'm kind of afraid that there's not enough space on this table to showcase everything that's inside the box. But we have to do with what we have, right? Let me turn this around. Okay. I hope most of the box is still in frame. Can you see what is inside? Can you guess what's inside? Based on what you can see so far, can you guess what's inside? I mean, this thing is huge. You know, when you buy these things online, sometimes in the pictures they don't look big, and then when you receive the thing itself, you're like, wow, how big is this thing? Okay, so the first thing I got the bracket. I think this is the bracket. I don't think it is a bracket. So put it on the side. And the next thing, oh la la, this is the next thing. Okay, I'm just gonna take it out of frame. I'm gonna bring it back. I'm gonna bring everything back from the box after we empty the box and get rid of the package to make more space. And this is the second thing. Yes, this thing is it's not small at all. Not at all small. So what's the next thing inside? Then we have this thing was on top. Look at this. There's another small box inside the big box. So we're gonna place the small box on the side. I have things falling all over the place. All right, so let's is there anything else inside the box? There's nothing else. So let's move this box because it's taking all the space that we have. Let's move it. All right, good. I'm gonna need a knife again. Where did I put that knife? Oh, right here. Okay, so I'm gonna cut this one. Really, how hard can it be to cut tip off of the box? There we go. So let's open the small box. This is what inside the small box. Let's put it on the side. All right, so far that you've seen everything that was inside the box, can you guess? Can you now guess what I ordered? Or should I explain to you what I ordered? Of course I'm gonna do that. So we have some screws, we have a bracket, we have this. I'm gonna take it out of the plastic so you can see it. And this part is made of plastic. That I wasn't expecting, that it was made of plastic. And from the get-go, I'm not impressed at all. This thing is supposed to be watertight, but it doesn't look like it's watertight at all. You know, sometimes when you order stuff from AliExpress, it's not always the fit and finish is good. So this thing is definitely not good enough. The fit and finish is not good. It's definitely not good. And I'm afraid, because this thing's gonna be installed outside and it's gonna be rain on it, and I'm afraid that this thing is not sealed properly. It's not at all sealed properly. I can see the gaps, like here, like right here. There's a small gap there. I mean, they tried to seal it, but it's not sealed properly. Right, so that was one of the things, and then I have these two. Alright, so if you haven't guessed yet, this is supposed to be a network booster. Not a network booster. What is it called? Is a connection booster. So it's supposed to, if you're living in a rural place where you don't have a cell tower, or you have a cell tower but you get like 1 bar or half a bar, you get some connection, sometimes you don't get a connection, and this is supposedly supposed to bring the connection, supposed to give you more connection. And you can get you have a lot of models, right? This one is the most expensive one. It's the most expensive one. You have some cheaper one that are not that expensive, but this one is supposed to be the most expensive. And according to what I saw, if you install this one is small, so the targeting is very narrow, it's very focused. But on the other hand, like if you target and catch a cell tower, it's supposed to, if you have like a bar or half a bar every now and then, it's supposed to give you like 2 or 3 bars, not 5 but 2 or 3 bars. So it's supposed to considerably improve your connection wherever you are, given that you have a cell tower within 7 kilometers. That's what it says. That's what it says on the website when I bought it, or on AliExpress. Now, I don't know if this is true, and I don't know if it works. But guess what? If you want to find out if this works or not, subscribe to the channel. There's a video coming up, because I'm gonna set this up somewhere where there's no connection. Actually, there is some type of connection where I'm gonna set it up, but there's no 3G or 4G. The closest place to get 4G where I'm gonna set this up is about 4 to 5 kilometers away. So if you walk 4 to 5 kilometers away from the place I'm gonna install this, you can get a 3G connection or 4G. No, you can get a 4G connection and a 3G. There's no 5Gs there, but 3 and 4G you can get 5 kilometers away, 5 to 6 kilometers away. So, and they'd say this thing works for a range of about 7 kilometers. So I'm thinking if this can catch a connection, that's like 4 kilometers away. That's good. I don't know if it's gonna work or how well it's gonna work, but I'm looking forward to test it. I'm still gonna complain to the seller though, because this thing is not well made. And if it works, my biggest fear is that it doesn't work for a long time, because the thing is not sealed properly, and then there's water that's gonna go in, and ruin it. So these are the things I had for this unboxing. Alright guys, if you made it this far, thank you for sticking with me to the very end. If you loved the video, smash that like button. Support the channel by leaving a comment below. If you're new here and you're not part of the Panda Mate squad, hit that subscribe button. Remember to ring that notification bell to be the first one to get notified every time I post a new video. While you're here, go watch my other videos, and until next time, keep it real, and I will catch you in the next one.